Caught in a blinding snowstorm, the harsh glare of sunlight reflecting off the snow can lead to snow blindness, incapacitating a survivor. To combat this, one can craft emergency snow goggles using just birch bark or similar material available in the surroundings. First, cut the bark into a strip long enough to wrap around your head, making small slits in the center to serve as eye slits that reduce glare but allow sight. Secure the goggles with vines or strips of cloth, and they become an essential tool in the snowy wilderness. Not only do they help protect your eyes against the harsh light, but they also demonstrate an ingenious use of natural resources for survival, illustrating adaptability and presence of mind in critical conditions.